On today's episode, when you hit a really big rock in a creek bed while you're sledding, you fix it with the plastic welding machine. I couldn't find my mesh gun, so I'm going to stitch it and put some JB Weld Quick on it. We'll just see if it holds up. I'll mesh it after this storm's over and all this snow ice goes away, but enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and do all those other things, and we'll see you on the next one.